Which state has passed a bill to protect its heritage sites? It is Assam. Recently, Assam government has passed a bill to protect its heritage sites. Next question. Recently, which company was chosen as the official partner for the 3 sessions of IPL? It is Unacademy. Next question. India will host 2+2 dialogue with which of the following country? It is with USA. India will host 2+2 dialogue with USA. Which country has launched the Indo-Pacific strategy with India? It is Brazil. Where has the Phang Lavsol festival celebrated recently? It is in Sikkim. Recently, Sikkim has celebrated Phang Lavsol festival. Who has recently launched a publication called The Little Book of Green Nudges? It is launched by UNEP. Who has recently launched Njogo, India's first football training app? It is launched by Kiren Rijiju. Recently, Kiren Rijiju launched Njogo, India's first football training app. Next question. According to the recent announcement, who has the second largest road network in the world? It is India. Which state government has relaunched the Swayam scheme recently? It is Assam. It is very important MCQ. Recently, Assam government has relaunched the Swayam scheme. Which nation will host BRICS Games in 2021? It is India. India will host BRICS Games in 2021. Recently, Indra naval exercise started between India and which country? Recently, naval exercise Indra started between India and Russia. Right answer is 1. Who will be hosting the recent SCO Council Summit? It is India. India will be hosting the recent SCO Council Summit. Recently, a book titled Let Us Dream was written by written by Pope Francis. Recently, who presided over the extraordinary meeting of G20 foreign ministers? It is presided by Saudi Arabia. How many Indian universities have been included in the list of world's top 400 universities released recently? It is only 2 universities of India. Who has topped the recently released Global Innovation Index 2020? It is topped by Switzerland. Switzerland topped the recently released Global Innovation Index 2020. Next question. Who has become the most match-winning player in tennis recently? It is Serena Williams. Serena Williams has become the most match-winning player in tennis. Who has been included in the One Nation, One Ration Card scheme recently? It is 3, both A and B. Recently, Ladakh and Lakshadweep included in the One Nation, One Ration Card scheme. Which bank has started Home Utsav recently? It is started by ICICI Bank. Recently, who was re-inducted into Commonwealth Games Association? It is Maldives. Who has launched Earth observation satellite recently? It is launched by SpaceX. Where was the first children's newspaper The Young Minds recently launched? It was launched in Assam. Who has recently become the third richest person in the world? It is Elon Musk. Recently, Elon Musk became the third richest person in the world. Who has recently won the Formula One Belgium Grand Prix 2020? It is Lewis Hamilton. India has been ranked at which position in the Global Innovation Index 2020? It is B48. Next question. Where will India's first International Women's Trade Center be set up recently? It is Kerala. Recently, with which country India has held the 14th Defence Policy Dialogue? It is with Singapore. Recently, with which country India has held the 14th Defence Policy Dialogue? Right answer is Singapore. Next question. The Indian economy contracted by % in the first quarter of the fiscal year 2021. It is minus 23.9%. Indian economy contracted by minus 23.9% in the first quarter of the fiscal year 2021. Next question. Recently, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has announced to celebrate September as the month of, it is Nutrition Month. Recently, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has announced to celebrate September as month of nutrition. Let's see the next question. Which new language has been added in the official language of Jammu and Kashmir recently? Kashmiri, Hindi, Dogri. Here, right answer is all of the above. These three new languages has been added into the official language of Jammu and Kashmir. Recently, which country's football federation has passed a rule to give equal pay to women team? It is Brazil.